I want to make sure you understand how to identify the location of a point. If the point is over here, it's in quadrant number 1, and we write that with a Roman numeral 1. That one's going to have a positive x and a positive y value. Now, if we look over here, these will be quadrant 2, and we write that with a Roman numeral 2. And that will have a negative x value and a positive y. Our next quadrant is quadrant 3. We write that with a Roman numeral 3, and it will have both a negative x value and a negative y value. And this one is quadrant 4. IV, capital IV, is the way we write a Roman numeral 4. And that will have a positive x and a negative y value. Now, some points aren't going to be in quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4. If it is on this line, if it is like a point like this we would say is on the x-axis, because this line that goes horizontally, that goes this way, is the x-axis. If we had a point here on the line that goes up and down, that would be on the y-axis. I remember which one is x and which one is y because y has this long tail on the letter y, and it goes up and down just like this line goes up and down. So if a point is on here, it's going to be on the y-axis. Now what if it's on both of them? What if it's right here? That's the point 0, 0, and it's on both the x and y-axis, so we would just say that that is the origin. So you could have a point, if it were right here, that's on that, the location of that point is the origin. If it's on this line, other than the origin, we'd say it's on the x-axis. If it's on this line, that would be on the y-axis. If it's a point over here, this is quadrant 1. A point over here is in quadrant 2. A point over here is in quadrant 3, and a point over here is in quadrant 4.